Hi everyone. So this is my first video for grade 9 and I'm going to discuss about chapter number 1, that is number system. So in this chapter we will be studying about the number system, rational and irrational numbers, rationalization, indices and all that. So first of all I would like to introduce or I would like to discuss the basic number system, right? So natural numbers, natural numbers are starting from 1 to infinite and we represent this set as capital N. So capital N is equal to 1, 2, 3 up to so on. But if I include 0 also in this set of natural numbers, then it will become set of whole numbers, right? Means starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on are known as whole numbers, correct? And this you have been doing, I think, since grade 6, natural numbers and whole numbers. Then we come to integers. Integers are whole numbers plus the negative numbers, right? And we represent this by capital I. So negative numbers means minus infinity to plus infinity, and we have minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. So all these numbers are known as integers. So we can say that integers are nothing but negative numbers plus 0 plus positive numbers. So we started with natural number 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. Then the whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. And then integers means negative numbers 0 and the positive numbers. Correct? Now we come to rational numbers. Numbers which can be represented in the form of p upon q means fraction p upon q. Where p and q are integers means p and q belongs to I. Belongs to matlab they are from integers, set of integers. And q should not be equal to 0. Why q should not be equal to 0? Because division by 0 is not at all defined, right? So we cannot have q as 0. So rational number like minus 3 by 5, minus 1 by 2, even 0, minus 1, all the numbers, right? Integers maybe we don't have fractions, but rational numbers maybe you have numbers in fraction and decimal as well. You know? And one more thing we have to remember here, if we are writing the standard number, standard form of the rational number, then p and q should be co-prime. Co-prime numbers are those numbers which have no other common factor other than 1. Okay? For example, I write 5 upon 7. So what is the common factor between 5 and 7? चलो factors लिख लेते हैं पहले. 5 के factors होंगे 1 and 5. Factors of 7 are 1 and 7. What is the common factor here? It is only 1. Right? So 5 and 7 are the numbers which are co-prime. So this is the important factor. Then we come to the irrational numbers. So the numbers which are not rational are known as irrational number. Now the question arises, how are you going to decide that which number is rational, which number is irrational? So that concept we will be doing in the next lecture. So the numbers which are not rational are known as irrational, right? Then we come to real numbers. So real numbers, actually all the numbers, means rational plus irrational. So अगर आप Venn diagram देखोगे, if you look at this Venn diagram, we have n, then we have w outside. This is whole numbers, then integers, set of integers, then the real numbers, right? Outside that. So means real numbers include all the natural numbers, all the whole numbers and all the integers. So एक फटाफट से recap करते हैं. Natural numbers are numbers starting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the counting numbers, right? Then the whole numbers starting from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3 and up to so on. So we can say that all the natural numbers are whole numbers, but all the whole numbers are not natural number, because 0 is a whole number which is not a natural number, correct? Then we come to integers, means all the negative numbers, 0, and all the positive numbers are known as integers. Okay. Then we have real number. So real number includes rational numbers and irrational numbers, means fractions bhi hai, decimal bhi hai, everything is there. And how to decide that whether a given number is rational or irrational? That depends on the terminating, non-terminating, repeating factors. So that we will be doing in the next lectures. So in this first lecture, we have discussed about the basic numbers of the number system. If you have any doubt, children, you can put your queries in the comment box. Like कीजिए, share कीजिए, subscribe कीजिए. कोई doubt है तो पूछिए. Thank you so much.